what do you think? Hi guys, let me show you guys quickly what I'm wearing today. I have my Prada sunglasses. I don't think you can see, but you guys have seen these, you know, a million times, so I don't think I need to explain. But anyhow, I have the Tiffany & Co. usual necklace that I always wear, and here's my Chanel oversized pearly one necklace right here. And this is actually Old Navy. Like, I had this dress for a long time. I haven't really worn it, but this time I wore, because it's a little baggy and it kind of covers my belly. Here is my sweater. Actually, it's really loose fit and pretty thin, like that. Here is my Rolex watch and Hermes bracelet. I have my Neverfull with me, and orange sandals, the white one. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And here's my little one's Patsy. It's so cute, right? Pink. I got it from Amazon, and that is that. So yeah, today we're gonna go to the mall, the Plaza Mall again, and look at the diamond ring to upgrade my wedding ring. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we'll see if we end up buying one, or still, you know, we've been looking for it for years now. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys later on. Bye guys. We're at the Apple store, just checking out. My husband is fixing his phone, so yeah, this is just iPhone 7. That's, you know, you guys all know that it came out not long ago, and just checking out. I don't think we're gonna upgrade to the 7.
It's all the same. You guys have iPhone upgrade or?
We did the next.
Okay.
Upgrade, but yeah, we're doing the next. It's my first time doing the next, but yes, I have to upgrade.
Pretty rose. We're done at the Apple. We went to have lunch at this Chinese restaurant, but forgot to film. Anyhow, we had a half duck and Chinese broccoli and wonton soup. That was really good. So that's that, and you guys can kind of see that my dark circle under it. Couldn't cover it completely this time. Yeah, so I went to Louis Vuitton store yesterday to look at Capucinese, and I was thinking of getting the magnolia color, but for that there is only 20 left in the US, so I'm not exactly sure if I want that. Or I also looked at the black one that I was thinking of getting last time when I went to Louis Vuitton, but it didn't really wow me at the time. But this time, actually, I really liked it. It was really clean, just solid black with the silver hardware. It's really nice. So yeah, that's that, and not exactly sure if I'm gonna get it. Yeah, 100%, not 100% sure. That's that, and I'm gonna go to Mayors to look at rings. Oh, we're here. So it's pretty dark. I don't think I'm gonna film here, but anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. Hi guys, so now we're heading to the same Korean restaurant again. How crazy is that? It's like 4th time of eating at the same place. So this time we're gonna get the fried chicken. It's the Korean style fried chicken with this spicy sauce. So we call it Yangnyeom Tongdak. Yeah, so that's that, and just the update on the Mayors, that, you know, the diamond rings that I was looking at was to upgrade my wedding ring. I looked at the princess cut and the round cut and couldn't figure out which one we like the best. So yeah, Guys, this is our fourth time coming to the exact same restaurant here in Tampa, and the fourth time around. Now we got this mandu, looks like dumpling that, you know, in Korea we call it mandu, and it's got the meat and some vegetables inside, and it's a homemade mandu. And this is the Korean style fried chicken. Hot, crispy, and juicy. Husband is like laughing. So good. Guys, it's so hot. It has spicy sauce. I didn't really think that it's gonna be that spicy because I'm a Korean. I can handle spicy food. It's even just a medium, but I'm like, so hot. This is so far we have worked on our dish, so yeah, but it's really good. It's really crispy and tasty. Too hot, my husband is like. After having that fried chicken, we're back to the same place again. Came back to the International Plaza Mall, and yeah, we're gonna go to the Mayor's again. We're like there like 2 or 3 times already, and yeah, so I don't think we're gonna go for the diamond ring, I mean the wedding ring, but we're gonna look at the Cartier watch that I've been thinking of getting. And let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing today. It's just a t-shirt. This t-shirt is really loose fit and it's really thin, so I think you can kind of see through a little bit, so yeah, but not too bad. That was from Zara, and it's pretty long, so I tucked that in. And the jeans, these are the jeggings from Zara again. I think it was about $29. I think I showed them to you guys earlier on this week. So the shoes that I'm wearing, they are the Valentino Rockstud Jelly sandals. I love them so much. They're very comfortable and they're very, very cute. And the bag today I have the classic medium to large, and I have my Chanel necklace here. So what's that? I'm gonna find out where the Sephora is. My girl is sleeping on my husband's chest, so we'll see how it goes. And yeah, it's exciting to be outside. Actually need to buy hair ties, so I don't know if Sephora has one. I don't know what to do and how to get rid of my dark circle right here. Really, you can really see very gray or dark color. Yeah, here I am at Sephora. Finished at Sephora. It was like overwhelming. So many stuff there, and the Sephora was huge. But the thing that I got is only one. This is what we went for. I didn't know if they had hair ties, but they had, so I got this one. But they're so cute. Look at that. They have like little sparkles. There's white and black and stripes. So these will work well. The hair ties that I have and had, I have so many, but they all break like quickly. Like after using like 2 or 3 times, it just starts to get tangled or loose and all, you know, like break. So anyhow, going to get something like tighter, and you know, I hope this works. So that is that, and we are here at the Mayor's. So I'm gonna check out some Rolex and Cartier. Let's see. So today for lunch we came to Ichikoro.
bring the Kaidana after. Once you're done with our noodles, we'll come back in. Kaidana is just extra noodles. Yeah, we can, yeah, so once you're done with your...
This is really interesting. What do you do with it? Huh? It's just a big spoon, but it's made with the wood. Look at this. This is the tonkatsu. Wow, look at that. Look at this. That's the pork bun. This is our pork bun.
Thank you guys.
Pork and
Yeah, well, actually, I got
the bun, I thought they made it here.
I used to live in the farm.
Really good. My husband found this place at Yelp. So good. This is banana. Is that plantation? Toasted? No. So good. The ramen, the noodle is so chewy and very fresh. Freshly made. It's really good. The pork is so tender. They said the pork is, they cooked it for 18 hours. No, it's just good. Isn't that good? It's good, right? Ooh, so hot. Spinach, so good. I live in Tampa. I come here every day. That's how good it is. I think I got something on my face. Oh, we're at the outlet here. We're actually on our way back home. So I only have 1 hour to shop. Let me just show you guys around. Here it is. Polo. I think it's baby polo here. Nike's there. I'm gonna go check that out too. So guys, I finished at Polo. I bought a bunch of stuff for my son and my husband. Here, right here. And I got a few goodies for my friend as well. And also I went to Nike and they had workout clothes. So I got some pants for myself to work out. Yeah, are you hungry? Yeah, yeah, you're hungry? Are you hungry? Oh yes, yes, you're hungry. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Yeah? Grams. Yeah, I know. Yes, Lydia, I love you. At the gas station, we're gonna get some gas and we're gonna head home. We're all so tired and yeah, she keeps smiling. She's like, I bet she's hungry now. She was sleeping over here while I was shopping. So I'm gonna feed her in the car. So it's gonna take about 4 to 5 hours to get back home. I really miss Joshua. I miss him talking. He's been talking so much. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're just gonna be driving 5 hours to go back home and meet my little one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll get back with you in my next video. Bye guys. So I thought I should share with you guys what I got at the outlet. Let me show you guys here. The first thing I is hi Joshua. Here is the shoe that I got for my friend's daughter. She's about the same age as Joshua, so almost 3. So I got the size, I think I got 9C or 10. Oh yeah, I got 9C, and originally it was 46. I don't know if you can see that there. $46, but paid 24. And the second pair I got, ta-da! This is for Joshua. Joshua, it's for you. The original was like 46, and I paid $19. Next I got is, ta-da! It's exactly the same pair as what I got for my friend's daughter. This is for Lydia. It's another shoe for my friend's son. Price originally was 46 again, and the retail was 21. So I thought it was really good buy. I absolutely love Nike shoe for baby. I mean for adults also. Here is the polo. So here's my husband's polo shirts. I got black and white, and I got Joshua's 3 shirt. This is like number 5. He actually is wearing 4T. He's not even 3 months, but 3 years. But anyhow, this was I think I paid like $14 for this one. The blue with the navy stripes. And this one is the regular one, or $15 for this. So great buy at outlet. So they're the ones that I got. So yeah.